Good afternoon. Problems of magnetostatic. Find h bar at center of square square current loop of a side of 4 meter if current of 5 ampere is passing through it as shown in figure. So we draw here the diagram. It is x, y. So this is the diagram. Now we have to find out h bar at origin. We have to find out h bar at origin. That means at point 0, 0, that is at 0, 0, 0. So each side of this square, actually this is a square, not rectangle. So each side of this square current loop can be considered as a finite length current element. So first we will consider a finite length current element AD. Now h bar, due to finite current element is h bar is equal to 1 by 4 pi r sin alpha 2 minus sin alpha 1 a phi bar. Now here O is the center of the square loop. So alpha 2 is positive, alpha 1 is negative. This is because O is in between two ends of the filament. Alpha 2 is 45 degree and alpha 1 is minus 45 degree. Now here R is what? It is length of perpendicular. It is a length of perpendicular which is drawn from origin on fixed current element AD. From origin on fixed current element AD. So R is equal to what? It is 2 meter. And h bar is equal to 5 by 4 pi into 2 sin 45 degree minus sin of minus 45 degree into a phi bar. Therefore h bar is equal to what? It is 0.2813 a phi bar. So from the symmetry of this diagram, we can write total h bar is equal to 4 into 0.2813. So this value is 1.1252 a phi bar. So according to the right hand rule, direction of h bar is normal to plane containing a square. And the square is in xy plane, so the direction of h bar is a phi bar is equal to az bar. Now in this case we apply the formula a phi bar is equal to al bar into ar bar. So for each element we have to do a calculation separately. So we have used here right hand rule. So according to the right hand rule, the direction of h bar is normal to, we write it on this page only. Only the one line is remaining, so we can we can write it here. H bar, the direction of H bar is A phi bar is equal to AZ bar. Now the next problem. So this problem was asked for 6 marks in university question paper. Find magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity means what? It is H bar at point on the axis 5 meter from center of circular loop carrying a current of 50 ampere with area 100 centimeter square. So assume a center of loop as origin and axis is along z axis. So we write here the problem was for 6 mark. So for circular loop, equation of H bar is what? It is equal to I r square AZ bar by 2 into r square plus z square raised to 3 by. Now what is Z? Z is distance of the point on Z axis from origin, and the origin is at 5 meter. So what is given? Given is area is given. Area is 100 centimeter square. We convert it into meter, so it is 100 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Now area of circular loop. Area of circular loop is pi r square. So this value is 100 into 10 raised to minus 4. So r square is 31.83 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now this is equation number 1. So we put these values in equation number 1, and equation 1 becomes H bar is equal to 50 into 31.83 into 10 raised to minus 4 AZ bar divided by 2 into R is 31.83 into 10 raised to minus 4, or it is r square already, plus 5 square raised to 3 by 2. And the final answer is H bar is equal to 6.364 into 10 raised to minus 4 ampere per meter. So in this way we can calculate the magnetic field intensity, that is H bar.